It's been a lovely day in KR Mangalam here today. I conducted a 5-hour workshop on introduction to Pilates, and I think it was great fun simply just interacting with the students, teaching them about the basic foundational aspects of how Pilates can benefit them in their physiotherapy journey.
I am honored to be here today at the KR Mangalam University, where I have seen that the scope of rehabilitation, scope of education, and the level of students is too high. And I am privileged to be a part of the institute, and I was able to share and to gain immense information and knowledge from the university. And I hope that this would be a wonderful opportunity to collaborate with institutions like AIMS and KR Mangalam, looking at the quality of the staff, looking at the infrastructure and the clinical facilities. I hope it will be a successful venture to go.
So my experience at KRMU is amazing. The staff is amazing here. The students are interactive and intelligent. So I'm having a good experience presenting a workshop here at KRMU.
इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में होलिस्टिक हेल्थ केयर पर ध्यान देते हुए ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन का फिजियोथेरेपी के साथ कोलैबोरेशन करने से हम पेशेंट केयर को कितना बढ़ा सकते हैं, इसे पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन और पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से यूजी स्कॉलर्स, पीजी स्कॉलर्स और पीएचडी स्कॉलर्स ने बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से प्रस्तुत किया। मेरे लिए ये सौभाग्य की बात है कि मुझे इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उपस्थित होने का मौका मिला।